Hello and welcome to another update on the overall portfolio for Frugal Finance here. So if you do like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment below if you've got any questions, or perhaps let me know about your particular stock portfolio and how it's performing lately. And with that said, we'll just crack on in. So here we are looking at the main portfolio here. You can see we're 3.2% up. It's been a sort of pretty mediocre couple of weeks, if I'm honest, to be honest. Everything's traded sort of sideways. A few things have done well and some things have not done well, but as a general rule of thumb, everything's pretty much traded sideways for some period of time. We did actually see highs of the overall return getting up to sort of 12%. And then that dropped down with fears of inflation and stuff like that in the USA, as I've been referencing in previous videos. So you can see here American Express, Apple, Coinbase, they're all doing pretty healthily. LTC Properties, just trying to dollar cost average into that at the moment to get that average buy cost down. Lucid Motors, obviously that was Churchill Capital 4, CCIV, now Lucid Group. Their stock is down a little bit at the moment. Did get to highs of about £25, which can be a relatively healthy return. Unfortunately, it's back down at $21 at the moment. So that one's not doing too well, but hopefully as they start to get vehicles on the road, they've smashed through this magic 500 miles range thing for an EV, so that's obviously good news. The video, obviously there's a really healthy return on there. I didn't really buy too many stocks in that to start with, so obviously it's a good return, but actually the overall money is not massively significant. PayPal, that did get to around 10%, that's down again now. PepsiCo, Procter & Gamble, Realty Income, you can see all these are all pretty up, but none of these are particularly significant holdings for me. So the main holdings are probably Apple, Lucid Group and Uber. Uber has become a rather large holding for me on the basis that it keeps going down and I keep trying to dollar cost average into it. I was buying stocks back in December when they were sort of $51. Obviously you can see my average buy price here is $47, so a little on the high side, and I like to get that down. But I'm also wary, I don't want to Uber to become like an overall heavily weighted position in the portfolio. You'll see I've also added the Vanguard S&P ETF. I actually have quite significant holdings with Vanguard in the S&P 500. And I just thought it was a useful place to kind of put any excess cash. So often when you find that you've like where it says free funds, you might end up with sort of £20 free or something at the end, and I've just started putting that into the S&P 500 essentially. So you'll see here overall I've used up 63% of the ISA this year. So we've got just under £7.5 left to go. I'm not planning on putting too much more money in at this moment in time. Might put a little bit more in the pie. That seems to sort of be ticking on. Dividends are quite nice. It gives me a calculated net return, I believe, of about 1.5% in terms of dividend payments at the moment. So obviously we're looking at about a 5 to 6% return, which isn't too shabby, given the markets have been a little bit roller coastery of late. So yeah, generally speaking, things are all ticking along quite well, really. So if you do like the video, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment below if you've got anything in your portfolio, or if you think there's anything that I should be adding, say, to my watch list, which you can see here I've added a few companies that I might be interested in adding a position on in the future. You can see there's ones I haven't deleted previously that I've put in the watch list down here, which you'll see some of these like Robinhood and Coinbase here I have actually bought positions in them. So just keeping an eye on things like DocuSign and Zoom and so on for the minute. Anyway, if you do like the video, please do not hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, I am literally just a guy on YouTube. Literally, this is a video me filming my portfolio via the recording app on my phone. Nothing complicated. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing his journey. So by all means, please do save, do invest in the market, do what you feel is comfortable, but don't necessarily follow me. Take your own advice if you're unsure, and you should always look at doing the right thing that is for your own circumstances. Don't just copy me. So as me Kevin might say, don't sue me bro, and with that done, I shall see you next time.